Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the NAT type for all games on Windows 11. First, we need to find your network details. Click on the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig and press Enter. You will now see a list of information about your network. Look for the section called Ethernet Adapter if you are using a cable, or Wireless LAN Adapter if you are on Wi-Fi. Write down 3 important pieces of information: your IPv4 address, your subnet mask, and your default gateway. You will need these values later. Next, go to your search menu and type Network Connection. Select View Network Connections. Then right-click on your active connection and choose Properties. Scroll down and double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following IP address. Now enter the details you wrote down earlier. In the IP address, type your IPv4 address. In the subnet mask, type your subnet mask. In the default gateway, type your default gateway. Next, move to the preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server fields. You can use Google's DNS servers by entering 8888 for the preferred DNS and 8844 for the alternate DNS. After entering all the information, click OK, then click Close to save the changes. Restart your computer and launch your game again. Check the NAT type. It should now show as Open or Moderate instead of Strict. If your NAT type is still strict, you can try one more method. Use a reliable VPN service. Open your web browser and search for a trusted VPN provider. Purchase and download one from Google or directly from the official VPN website. Before using it for your game, check the game's policy to make sure VPN use is allowed. If it is, connect to a VPN server that is close to your location, then start your game again. This process should help you fix NAT type issues and improve your online gaming connection. Thanks for watching.